Have you ever wanted to use a photo in a design but were unable to do so because of the background that it had? Well, worry no more. In this video, I'll be sharing with you exactly how to remove a background from a photo step by step and using Canva, and then you can use it in your designs. Hi, my name is Paris, and on this channel we share with you tools and tips to grow your business with online marketing. So consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any new videos. The first thing is to go to canva.com. Then you can sign in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. I'm already signed in, so let's proceed. For the purpose of illustration, we shall be creating a YouTube thumbnail. So we go to create a design. You can type in YouTube, then click on the YouTube thumbnail here. The size is 1280 by 720 pixels. So you just click on that and it will open in a new editing window. So you have some templates here which you can choose from. We can use this one. So if you double click this background, you can press delete on your keyboard and then now it's gone. So now we have an orange background. We can go to elements to look for a photo that we will use. You click on photos. I'll be using the photo of a lady, so I can just type in here lady. Then we can scroll down to see the one we like. We can use this one. The first thing I want to mention here is that the remove background feature for Canva is a pro feature. You have to be on the pro version to be able to use the same. I'll actually leave a link in the description for you to try out the pro version for free for 30 days so that you can get to use this incredibly useful feature. So you click on the photo and then you go to where it says edit image. You click on edit image and then you click on the background remover. It says BG remover. So you click on that. So now it is processing. We'll just wait for it to finish. So now our photo is ready to use. If you move it around, you can see that it doesn't have a background. Then we can crop out the area that we don't need. You just click on crop here so that you can crop out what you don't need. Then we can resize it so that it's a bit bigger on our thumbnail here. Then now we can add a glow effect to it. So you just click it and go to edit image. Then you scroll down to where it says glow. We'll then click on these three lines. Then we'll change the color to white. Take the blur to 0 and the transparency to 100. And then we can also change the size of the glow. Be a little bigger so that we can see it on the photo. Now we can change the background of the thumbnail. So you can change the color to whichever color that you like. Or you can go to elements and then you just type in background. So you can choose any of the backgrounds to use. Personally, I want to use a photo. So instead of that background, we'll just go to elements. Then we go to photos. Then we can search on flower garden in photos. You can use this one. So you just click it and it's brought to the design. Then you right click it and click on replace background. So now you can see that the background has changed. We can also change this color to black. Can leave this one as white. We can change this one to maybe blue. So now you can go ahead and use this as your thumbnail. So you just go to download and then you can just download it as PNG, which is suggested. Then you can just download it. Now, removing of this background was very easy, and it's not always this easy because sometimes you click on a photo and when you try to remove the background, some of the parts of the photos are cut. So we can look at one of those examples. So we'll just add a page here and then we can go back to the photos, then look for another photo of maybe another lady. Let's see one that we can use. We can use this one. So I'll just click on it and then click on the image, then click on edit image. So you can click this BG remover and now it's processing and removing the background. So now the background has been removed for us. In case you find that the photo has been distorted while you are removing the background, you can play around with this tool either to restore. So let's try restoring. So if you just click on it there, it will ask you to choose a brush size. So you can choose a small brush or a big brush. You can choose maybe at number 7 and then ask it to show the original image. That's the original image. So we can see some hairs sort of going away here. And then when we ask it to not show that one, you can see what it looks like. So you can now come with your brush and try to restore parts of the image that have been removed. Yeah, so you can see quite a bit of hair has been removed by the background remover. So you can try to be, as accurate as you can to just try and bring back the parts. So it needs a bit of patience, and you have to have a steady hand while you're doing this so that you're able to just bring them back nicely. So once you're satisfied that all the parts you wanted have been brought back, then you can apply that to the image. So in case you bring back too much of the image, you can use this erase button to erase the parts that you don't want. So just use that to erase the parts that you don't want. Yeah. And once you're satisfied that the image is okay, you just click on done, and this is what you're left with as the new image. So we can just scroll out to have a look at it. So that is how to remove the background using Canva. But there's another option. So you can add a new page here. So I can show you the other option. Then we can add this image. Then we can just download this. This is page 3. So we'll just download PNG. So we can download page 3 here. So only the third page is downloading. Now you go to a website called remove.bg, and then you just upload your image. So I'll just select the image and then open it. So now this is our image with the background removed. And it's the same thing if you want to edit the image. So you just click on edit, and then you can use the erase or restore buttons to sort of brush up your image. So you can increase the size here, same as we had done on Canva. And then you can use this to either erase it or restore it. So just restore it to maybe what it was before. Something else you can do with the image, you just click on edit, and then here you can blur. So you can just play around with this blur effect. So you see the trees have been blurred out, and you can look at this other one. There's a bit of blurring also happening. So this is something else that you can do. So we don't want to add in any blur effects. So just cancel that out. So if you want to download this for free, you're going to get a lower resolution than what was the original image. If you want to download the full image with the best resolution, you have to buy the credits. Let's just download what is available for us for free so that we can see what it looks like. So once you've downloaded, we can go back to Canva and upload that image. I can just add a page here. So you just upload it. So I can just drag it to this page. You can crop it so that we only look at the image itself. I can enlarge it. So if you now look at these two images, you can clearly see that the one whose background we removed via Canva is more clear than the one we have used the remove BG. So if you want to get the same clarity, then you'd have to pay for it. So those are two methods that you can use to remove backgrounds from your images. I hope you learned something. If you did, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any new videos.